Hello, if you want to take screenshot by using gesture on OnePlus Nord 5, you have to open the settings. From here, go to accessibility and convenience. From here, scroll down and here you can find screenshot section. Open it and here you can enable screenshot gestures. So if you want to take a screenshot by using three finger swipe down gesture, just simply turn it off by using this turn it on by using the switcher, and now you just simply have to take three fingers and make this gesture like that, scrolling down, and now I made a screenshot. I will show you also three finger touch and hold gesture, which is like take a partial or scrolling screenshot. So I will show you how you can do it. Take your three fingers and hold on your screen, and now you are able to make partial screenshot just like that. And now just simply release your fingers and you can also adjust this screenshot from here. So when it's done, click on this check mark, and now it's basically all. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.